Hi guys, today we're gonna be playing Thanksgiving while eating.
Yeah, apparently all the cool kids at school plug gums while they eat, so we're gonna do it too. Yeah. Oh, Jack.
Excuse me.
It's okay. It happens to me too at school, and everyone laughs because they think I'm so hilarious.
Guys, if you're wondering, I'm 3 years old, turning 4.
Yeah, Jack is like getting pretty old with age. What? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. It's just that I have a mental illness of being like really cool, and people are like really jealous of me because they want to have a mental illness too, which makes them cool. But yeah.
Guys, Mother said he's gonna go to the shop, but he was too sleepy, so he just went to sleep.
Yeah. Mother actually doesn't have eyes. He actually does, but they're closed right now, so I can't see them. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. I have to go to the toilet to take a number 2. Bye-bye.